Thank you, Toastmaster Kriti. According to Automatic, which is the parent company of WordPress, there are millions of websites in this world, and more than 20% of them is powered by WordPress. WordPress is a platform through which you can make websites and blogs. Nowadays, almost every company wants to have a website, and almost every person wants to have a personal blog, just like Toastmaster Kriti. But the problem is, making website could be very expensive. How many of you have a personal blog or website for your company? And how many of you want to make a website? Okay, that's a good number. In this presentation today, I'll talk about how you can create a website for free. It's a very simple process, and in this whole presentation, I will give you a basic layout about creating a simple website. There are several benefits of knowing how to create a website. The first benefit is that you save a lot of money. Second is that you can start your own blog and you can make money out of it. Third, that you can acquire an essential skill, and most important of all, you have content for a project yet, Toastmasters page. There are two things that you need in order to have a website. The first is domain name, and second is hosting server. Domain name is basically an address for your website. For instance, for Toastmaster International, the domain name is www.toastmaster.org. For Facebook, the domain name is www.facebook.com. Hosting server is basically a space where you keep all your files, maybe the Word document or the images or video. These two are the things that you need for you to create a website. After you have these things, you need to install what you call content management system. It's basically from which you manage your whole website. After this is, the one you see is the admin panel, from which an administrator controls the whole website. In the left-hand side, you can see there is posts, there is pages, there is multimedia appearances. So all these things that are in a website that can be modified from all those menus. And we'll walk through some of the menus that are important and tell you how you could use this in order to make a website. Once you install content management system, you need to have a design for a website. And trust me, many of us are not a good designer. So there are several templates, what we call a theme in WordPress language. There are several templates that you can get for free, and you can use those themes in your website. You don't have to put a single penny from your pocket. And all the design work is done within the template. This is one thing that I have used for my website. Here it is. One thing that I've used for my WordPress blog is Highwind. It's a free WordPress thing, and it's quite simple. In order to install a WordPress theme, you have two options. One option is that you search in the directory or the WordPress itself. Another is you search from anywhere, from any other website, and you install it. It's a very simple process. You just need to upload it. Once you have uploaded or installed the theme, you need to customize it. And as you can see, there is a customize button there. After you click to that button, you'll be taken to this page. From this page, you can write down what you want to have. For instance, I wanted to, this is my personal blog, so I wrote down in the left-hand side, Roshan, and then that is, you can see, my name is displayed. Then I put a tagline, and there is a tagline. Then I can change the color, I can change what I want to have in menu, I can change all the things that appears on the front end or what user sees from this feature. You don't need to know any code, you just need to know how to use a simple computer. So once you customize the theme, you need to populate the whole website with content. You want to have about us pages, you may want to have contact us pages, and all the information about your company or about yourself. And that is done through two components that is in WordPress. One is post, another is page. And they are two different things. Page is like when you say page, about us is a page, contact us is a page. But when you say post, it's like you read blog and it says like 10 reasons why you should join Toastmaster, or 10 reasons you should travel to Nepal. So all these are posts and pages. This information is quite important to know what you want to create. So once you are clear that you need page that is like about us page or contact us page, you create a page. And creating a page in WordPress is like you use Microsoft Word. You have a text field, you can put a title, you can put a link, and all the editing like font size, heading, it's a very similar tool that we have been using in our real life. So once you create it, you publish it. Once you have created a page, I'm sure you want to have display on the website. And generally we display content on website is through menu. You put a menu so that user can navigate on the website. And creating a menu in WordPress is very simple. You go to this page, create a menu, and as you can see, there are in the left hand side, there are pages like STM, about. You just click it, you click add to the menu, and that will go automatically and add it to the menu. If you want to have a custom link, that is, let's say you want to have a facebook.com as a menu, you can put that link in a custom link, and then you're going to have that as a menu. Once you have created a menu, you can see on this page that there is a menu which was not earlier, and there is also about us page which we created. Creating a post is also similar to creating a page. The only difference is that in post there is like taglines, categories, and other information that is not provided in a page. So creating a website is not as difficult as many people would think. It's a very simple process. If you have certain information and you know how to use a simple computer, you can easily create a website. You don't have to pay a lot of money to companies like mine to create a website. So go back home, try to make a website, and if you have any problem, you know whom to contact.